If you are completely new to Shopify platform and wants to list your first Shopify product, then this video is for you. So welcome back to Ecom Ranks. This video will going to be very useful for your learning. So let's get started. So the first thing what we have to do is we have to go to this product section. On left side we are able to select an option from the given menu. So from here we have to click on the products, and then from here the product customization settings will get open. It's for all products. Okay, so to add a new product, what you have to do is you have to click on this button. Once clicked on this button, here it will ask the title, description, and the media. Okay, so for these three section, you maybe have your product title. Product title is called basically product name, might be ready, and the descriptions and the media should be ready for your products. For me, I am taking this product as an example, and I will simply copy it. Okay, so what hack I will do is I would use ChatGPT to write my title and description. So what I will give command to ChatGPT that rewrite the title and description for my product. Okay, so here I will give him the title, and here I will give it description. Okay, so let me copy that description. If you don't have the description, just give it a product name and he will add description. Okay, so let me copy it and then paste it over here, and then hit the enter button. Once hit enter, it will start writing the title and description for your Shopify products. Okay, so the title and the description is ready. Let me copy it, and I have to go back to my product page, and here I have to give the title name. And if you want to keep the title short, then simply you can give another command that keep my title short and give me another title. He will produce another title for you. Okay, so let me copy this description, and once copied I will paste it within the description section. So the title and the description section is ready. And what does media means? That you are able to add files. These files will be the videos, the product photos, or anything. So I am adding product photos. I have already downloaded it. So let me just select it. Okay, I have selected all these images. Once selected, you have to click on this open button and it will get added. If you want to add an image using a URL, you can just click on it, add from a URL, and it will ask for the URL, and you just need to paste it. Okay, so the URL might be from YouTube, it will be a video, or Vimeo video. So this way you are able to add video over here. Okay, once done, you have to hit the save button. So the title, description, and the media section is ready. What's the next? It will ask for the price. So let me go back to this product and copy this price. It's a manufacturer suggested retail price, so he is suggesting that to list 205. So I will simply paste 205 price and accept its suggestion. And here it will ask for the compared price. So let me explain you what's the compare at price is called. I have just written for $80. It means that to display a markdown, enter a value higher than your price. So my price is 205 and I have added to for $20 as compare at price. So often shown with a strike through. Okay, so it will be crossed and this price will list. Basically when you go to some sales product or sale item, going to purchase sale item from another website, this feature is there. Usually they cut down the price and list what's the actual price of the product. So it will ask for the cost of the item. So let me copy this cost. This will be my cost and this will be my drop shipping product price. So let me add this cost over here. So it says that you have 49% margin. Okay, so in this section it will ask do you want to track quantities. Keep this option tick and here you have to just populate the quantities of your product. So I just added 100 pieces for this slide, so I have added 100. And if you want to continue selling when it's out of stock, like when 100 pieces of the street light board sale, you just want to sell it without any out of stock notification, you just need to tick this option. So let me tick this option and move down. Here it will ask the weight and I would say that this slide will be of 2 kg. So simply I will add the product weight in this section. Now it will ask that is this product ships internationally. If you have international shipping, you have to tick this option and then it will ask for further details in which country do you want to ship. So right now I don't offer international shipping, I only proceed in USA. So let me untick this option. If you have a digital product like some software, you have to tick this option and then it will not ask the shipping weight or shipping requirements or anything related to shipping. Okay, so the last two sections that I am going to explain are called variants and search engine listing. But first of all, let me show you what's this product displays when we view it on our website. Once listed, you have an option to view this product. Just simply click on this more action and then preview button. Once clicked on it, the product will get shown over here. Okay, so the title is added, the product images are added and the description is added over here. So there is no option to select the size of the light, the color of the light or anything. So now let's add all those variants option. Okay, so here we have to add an option like size or color. So from here I would select the size and here I would select add small and then I have to hit the tab button and here I have to add medium and then after hitting the tab button I have to hit add the large option value, and after it you have to click on if you have other colors you have to select this option like add another option, and from here you have to select the color and let's add black and white color as option, and moving down it will ask that if your light size is small and black in color, add its image over here. So click on it and we have to add the images of black and small size variant over here. This way you have to add all the images according to the variants. I am just adding some random images so that you just get the concept of it. Okay, so I have just populated some of the fields, and from here you are also able to adjust the price of small variant and black color, small variant and white color, medium variant and black color, medium variant and white color. And from here you are also able to populate the quantity of each variant, like what's the available quantity of white color and what's the available quantity of black color. Moving down here, it will ask for the SKU. SKU is basically a unique number assigned to your product. And barcode, if you have a barcode for your product or variant, you can add it over here. Moving down, it will ask for the search engine listing, and here what I would suggest is to add 5 to 10 words only, and don't add more words. And the meta description, just keep it as it is and hit the save button. It's a URL handle, meta description and page title. It's for the search engine optimization, like if someone search for this keyword on Google, it will show your product. Okay, let me just do it. And now just finally preview our product, and let's see whether variants gets listed or not. Okay, so the sizes gets listed, the color gets listed, and if I click on this button like medium, the images switches to that medium black variant. If I click on this white, the images switches to medium white variant, similar to this backend images that we have added on the variants. If you have any question, you can ask it in the comment section or reach me out on Skype. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.